Signing up for TikTok. To get started, you need to download TikTok. TikTok is primarily a mobile app, much like Instagram, so you have to start by installing it on your smartphone or tablet. Open up the App Store on your device and search for TikTok. TikTok is available for Android devices as well as iOS. Once you are on the relevant store, just search for TikTok. Tap on the install button and wait for it to be added. Once it's installed, you can start using it straight away. TikTok allows you to search, browse and discover content on the platform without actually signing up first. This means you can have a look at it before you sign up. So start by opening the app. You'll be shown the video feed first and you can swipe up to view more videos. You can also tap on the profile icon on the right to see who uploaded the content. You can also like, comment or share the video, but you can't use these features until you sign up as a TikTok user. If you tap the Discover icon, you can watch the videos that are trending at the moment and also find trending hashtags, which users add to their content to make it easier for people to find. Signing up for TikTok. To sign up, you just need to tap on the icon in the bottom of the screen and you will be prompted to sign up with a phone number, an email address, or with a profile from another platform such as Facebook, Google or Twitter. I'm going to sign up with an email address, so I tap on the sign up with a phone or email button. Next, I select my birthday using the date selection function on this page and then tap on to continue. On the next page, I just tap on the email icon and enter my email address in the email address field. Tap continue and enter a password to use with your new account. Tap on the confirmation icon. Lastly, you will have to verify that you're not a bot. Simply drag the slider to fit the on-screen puzzle piece in place and wait for the verification confirmation message. Now that you're a full member, you can check out your profile page, and now you're a part of TikTok.